Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to leave a review on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or create it if you already have not done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically here we have, as you can see in the top left corner, we have the search bar and we have your address. And in the bottom four tabs, we have the home screen, we have the shops, search, and the account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and leave a review on Foodpanda. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, you'll need to go and find something that you would like to buy. So for instance, we can click on pizza. Then find a restaurant that we would like to buy pizza from. So whatever that is, I'm just going to put this for the sake of this video. Click on the restaurant. After that, you need to go and find what you want to buy. So when you found what you want to buy, click the plus button. It will be in your shopping cart, and which is in the top right corner. As you can see here, it will be here. And then you just need to buy it. And after that, when you get your food, when they deliver the food to you, you'll have an option to go and review the food and everything then. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.